Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mira and Rio English, where learning English feels just like chatting with friends.
Exactly. No grammar books today, just real English, real talk, and maybe some laughter too.
Mia. So tell me, do you ever have a long, tiring day but still want to stay positive?
Oh, yes, that's me every Monday.
Then today's conversation is perfect for you. We'll talk about busy days, work, friends, and how small moments like a cup of coffee can make everything better.
And while you listen, try to notice real English phrases you can use in daily life.
And if you find our podcast helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Ready to relax, learn, and enjoy some real conversation?
Let's dive in.
Mira, I'm so tired today.
Oh no, already tired? It's only the afternoon. What happened?
I had one of those mornings, emails, meetings, deadlines, all before 10 a.m.
Wow, that's early chaos. Did you at least have breakfast?
Mm, coffee counts, right?
Coffee is not breakfast, Rio. You always say that.
It's liquid motivation.
Okay, Mr. Motivation, but tell me, what's making you so tired today?
It's just work feels never ending lately. Meetings, reports, numbers, charts, everything at once.
Mm, that sounds like you need a little balance break.
A balance break? What's that?
Teaching tone, you stop, breathe, sip your coffee, and remind yourself, I'm doing my best and that's enough.
I like that. I'm doing my best, and that's enough. Maybe I'll print that on a mug.
Good idea. So, what kept you busy today?
Ugh, we had a long meeting about a new project. My team is great, but we're all a bit stressed.
I get it. Team stress is real. But hey, at least you're not alone.
True. And you, how are you today?
Actually, I'm feeling happy.
Really? Why so cheerful?
You'll find out later. Let's finish your story first, Mr. Busy.
So, yesterday we had a big meeting with my boss and the whole team, 3 hours long.
3 hours? That's not a meeting, that's a marathon.
Exactly. I needed coffee halfway through. My boss loves numbers, charts, graphs, everything in detail.
Sounds familiar. How many slides did he show?
Too many. I stopped counting after 20.
And what's the meeting about?
A new performance report. Due this Friday. It's a huge project. Everyone's under pressure.
That's tough. But I know you. You'll handle it well.
Thanks, Mira. But the real challenge isn't the numbers, it's the people.
Office drama. Tell me more.
Kind of. Two of my teammates, Tom and Anna, they're supposed to work together, but they are total opposites.
Let me guess. One talks too much and one doesn't talk enough.
Exactly. Tom is super loud, jokes all the time. Anna is quiet, serious, focused.
That can be tricky. Energy versus focus.
Yeah. Yesterday, Anna looked upset. I think Tom said something without realizing it.
Oh, no. Poor Anna. Misunderstandings happen easily at work.
True. I want to help them, but I don't want to interfere too much.
You're kind, Rio. Maybe just listen first, then find a small way to make things better.
That's what I was thinking. Maybe coffee can fix it.
Coffee, your magic solution for everything.
It works. Coffee makes people talk.
You know, that's actually true. Sometimes one small kind gesture can change the mood for everyone.
Yeah. Maybe I'll surprise them tomorrow morning. Coffee for both? and maybe cookies.
Ooh, cookies too. That's genius. You're turning office stress into office peace.
I hope so. I just want a happy team.
That's what makes a great coworker and a great friend. So, what exactly happened between Tom and Anna?
Well, they had to finish the same part of the report. Tom likes to talk a lot. Anna likes to focus quietly.
Hmm, sounds like trouble.
Yeah, Tom kept making jokes, and Anna told him she couldn't concentrate. Then, silence.
Ouch. That kind of silence is louder than words.
Exactly. I saw Anna later. She looked upset. She said, Tom is too much sometimes.
Did you talk to Tom about it?
Not yet. He was busy pretending nothing happened.
Classic. Some people deal with stress by joking too much.
True. I think Tom didn't mean to be rude. He just talks when he's nervous.
That's actually very common. Some people talk to fill the quiet. Others need quiet to think.
Wow, that's deep. You should give a TED talk on office personalities.
Maybe one day. But really, you could help them both.
I want to. I hate when the office feels heavy. No one talks. Even lunch today. Everyone ate alone.
That's the worst. Work feels 10 times harder when people stop smiling.
Yeah, the energy drops.
So, what's your plan, Mr. Peacemaker?
Maybe something simple. Not serious, just something to make everyone relax again.
Simple works best. Maybe coffee?
Snap, snap fingers. Exactly. Coffee and cookies. My universal problem solver.
You and your coffee diplomacy.
Hey, it works. Last time I brought donuts, the whole team smiled for 2 days.
Then you already know what to do. A little kindness goes a long way.
Yeah, I'll go to the cafe tomorrow morning. I just hope Tom and Anna start talking again.
They will. Good energy spreads fast.
Okay, imagine this. Tomorrow, 10 a.m., I walk into the office with 3 cups of coffee and 2 big cookies.
Wait, 3 cups?
One for Anna, one for Tom, and one for me, of course.
Naturally. So, what's your line? How will you start the peace talk?
Maybe I'll say, hey, team, coffee break time, peace and caffeine.
That's perfect. Light, funny, friendly.
I want it to feel casual, not like, let's fix your friendship, you know?
Right. Just human. A small moment to reset.
Exactly. I think people underestimate how much small kindness matters.
100%. Sometimes one warm gesture can change the whole day.
That's why I love coffee. It brings people together.
And cookies?
The secret weapon. Nobody can stay angry while holding a cookie.
True. So tomorrow, you're not just bringing coffee, you're bringing connection.
Wow, that sounded poetic.
It's true. And maybe next week, Anna and Tom will laugh together again.
That would make me really happy. I just want everyone to enjoy work again.
You will. People remember when someone tries to make things better.
Thanks, Mira. You always make me feel like things are fixable.
Because they are. One cup of coffee at a time. Okay, everyone, let's take a small break from the story.
Ooh, language time.
Exactly. Let's look at some useful English phrases you can use at work.
Great, I'll try to guess the meaning.
Perfect. Phrase number 1. Hang in there.
That means don't give up, right? Keep going even when it's hard.
Correct. Example, hang in there. The weekend is almost here.
That's me every Friday.
Phrase number 2. I've got your back.
That means you support someone, like, don't worry, I've got your back.
Exactly. It's friendly and shows teamwork.
Nice. What's next?
Phrase number 3, let's take a break.
My favorite phrase ever. It means stop for a moment to rest.
Yes, and it helps keep communication kind. Instead of saying, I'm tired of this, you say, let's take a break.
Polite and positive. Got it.
Phrase number 4, let's talk it out.
That's when you solve a problem by talking instead of staying angry.
Exactly. Talking is always better than silence.
Like me, Tom, and Anna. We need to talk it out over cookies.
Exactly. And final phrase, I appreciate your help.
That's an easy one. It means thank you, but more sincere.
Perfect. You can say, I appreciate your help with the report.
Or I appreciate your coffee and cookie diplomacy.
That's a good one. So, listeners, try using these 5 phrases this week. It'll make your English sound more natural and your workplace more positive.
Hang in there. I've got your back. Let's take a break. Let's talk it out. And I appreciate your help.
You're ready for Monday, Rio.
Maybe with more coffee. Okay, enough about my office adventures. You said you were happy today. What's the good news?
Oh, yes. My best friend Lena, she's getting married.
Married? Wow, that's amazing. When?
Next month. It's a garden wedding, lots of flowers, lights, and music.
That sounds beautiful. So romantic.
I know. She called me last night. She sounded so excited, and it made me feel happy too.
That's the best kind of happiness. When your friend's joy becomes yours.
Exactly. But now I have a small problem.
Uh-oh. Wedding problem?
A fashion problem. I need a dress.
The classic, what do I wear moment.
Yes. It's a garden wedding, so it has to be elegant but comfortable.
Okay, let's think. Color.
I love blue, but Lena's theme is green.
Green in a garden might blend in too much. Blue could stand out beautifully.
True. Blue is my color anyway. My eyes are blue too.
Then it's settled. A long blue dress.
Oh, I can already imagine it. But no, shoes.
Always another problem.
It's a garden wedding. Heels and grass don't mix.
Definitely not. You don't want to sink into the ground.
Exactly. So I need flat shoes. Maybe silver ones?
Silver sounds perfect. Classy and shiny.
And maybe a small silver bag to match.
Mira, you'll look amazing. Long blue dress, silver flats, silver bag. Perfect combination.
You think so?
Absolutely. Simple, elegant, confident. That's you.
Thank you, Rio. Talking about it makes me even more excited.
See? Conversation therapy works again.
So I'll go shopping this weekend. The big mall has so many stores.
Careful. That's how people disappear for 5 hours.
I know. I always tell myself just one store, and then poof, the whole afternoon is gone.
It's the shopping time warp.
Exactly. And there's another problem. I'm short.
Oh, come on. You're not that short.
I am. Long dresses always touch the floor. I need a tailor.
Ah, good vocabulary. A tailor is someone who makes or fixes clothes.
Yes. Thank you, Teacher Rio.
Anytime. So you'll find the dress, then visit the tailor.
That's the plan. Blue dress, silver shoes, silver bag.
Impressed? You're organized.
Trying to be. And maybe after shopping, I'll call Lena to talk about her wedding plans.
That's so exciting. She must be so happy.
She is. And you know what's funny? She met her fiancé at a supermarket.
No way. That's so random.
It's true. She dropped a bag of apples and he helped her pick them up.
A love story that started with apples. Very healthy.
Yes. And now, 1 year later, a wedding.
That's adorable. Makes me believe in small moments again.
Me too. You never know when life gives you your Apple moment.
So, this weekend sounds busy for you. Shopping, planning, maybe a little celebration.
Yes. And you, what will you do after your big report?
Honestly, Friday night, I'll go home, take off my work clothes, put on my favorite blue pajamas, and do nothing.
That sounds perfect.
I'll order pizza, pepperoni, of course, and watch a funny movie.
Comedy therapy. Excellent choice.
Exactly. I need to laugh after this crazy week.
And Saturday?
Maybe I'll sleep in, then meet some friends for lunch. What about you?
I'll go to the mall, find my dress, then dinner with Lena. We love this small Italian place, Luigi's.
Oh, I know it. Best pasta ever.
Right? I could eat their spaghetti forever.
So, pizza for me, pasta for you. Both Italian weekend vibes.
Perfect balance.
You know, Mira, I feel better after this chat.
Me too. Real conversations always make things lighter.
And that's why we do this podcast, to remind everyone learning English that conversation is connection.
Exactly. When you speak, you connect with others and with yourself.
So true. And thank you for sharing your good news today.
And thank you for sharing your work story. It's nice when we can laugh and learn at the same time.
That's what Mira and Rio English is all about.
Okay, everyone, before we finish, let's review some useful English you heard today.
Yeah, we learned a lot of natural expressions in this episode.
Let's start with feelings. We said tired, happy, stressed, and excited.
Right. And we also practice phrases like, hang in there, I've got your back, and let's talk it out.
Don't forget, I appreciate your help. It's polite and powerful.
Plus, lots of real-life words from work and daily life, like meeting, report, boss, colleague, coffee, and cookie.
Coffee and cookies, the perfect vocabulary for peace at work.
Absolutely. And for everyday English, we also talked about shopping, weddings, colors, and flat shoes.
Yes, great words for real conversations.
So if you're watching this to improve your listening, remember, focus on phrases, not just words.
Exactly. Real English is all about rhythm, emotion, and connection.
And if you want to practice, you can replay parts of this episode and repeat after us.
That's a great idea. Listen, repeat, and speak confidently, one sentence at a time.
So now it's your turn. We have a question for you.
In the comments below, tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Or what are your plans for this weekend?
Try to write in English. It's great practice, and we love reading your stories.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Mira and Rio English.
Yes, your support helps us make more real English conversations for you.
And share this episode with a friend who's learning English too. Maybe they'll join the conversation next time.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every conversation brings you closer to fluency.
Exactly. So hang in there, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye.